Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this TM MK46. This one has had some internal upgrades. We have fit an RHOP patch to it, the EagleSix upgraded mainspring. We fit 4 power spacers. We've got the RHOP patch with a change over the Firefly. The customer expressed interest in the most accurate sort of build, and I have to say the RHOP does have the edge over the Firefly. We've got the EagleSix bearings installed and a Psionic tensioner. We've got the EagleSix Type 1 nub, which is ever so slightly shorter than the TM one. Thus doesn't press the Psionic down quite as strong, because it's quite a thick rubber on that. Obviously you don't want to over hop everything. So the problem with the R hops is they do, and sort of some of these more modern hops, they do put a lot of lift on these things. So sometimes actually you don't need anywhere near as much lift as what you would with, say, a Prometheus or original TM setup, which requires, you know, substantially more pressure in order to get the lift that's required. We've also got the Warhead Ronin 45K, so a very fast motor that's in there. We're going to be testing on a 2200 7.4. And that's our recommender for this build. We've also installed the EagleSix anti-reversal latch, and we're ready for testing before this one goes all the way to America. There we go, all tested and working. Yeah, we did have one issue which slowed us up, which was actually an interesting, it's a fault with the Warhead, so we had to actually put some insulation tape on the underside of the base of it in order to prevent it arcing and kicking up a red error code. So it's quite weird, but that's resolved it, and it's all going now, as you can see, which is good. Yeah, so any problems with the build, let us know, but hopefully everything's all good for you. Thank you.